Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to get live wallpapers for your PC. So let's get started. It's just a simple procedure. You just need a Steam app already installed on your PC. So once you have done that, just go onto Steam and in your search bar just search for wallpaper engine. So it's the first one. It's gonna cost you around $5 in Canadian currency. So once you just go on this page for the wallpaper engine, scroll down, and over here it will show you how to buy it. So just buy it and install it. So once you have installed the wallpaper engine app, just hit on search and search for wallpaper engine. It's gonna open it like this. So you already see that it's showing me a wallpaper that I already downloaded. So before I already downloaded this wallpaper and it's showing me this wallpaper, and it's an interactive wallpaper. Like you can see with my cursor, the wallpaper also moves. So once you go in your tray over here, you're gonna see the application wallpaper engine in your system tray. Just double click it, it will open the wallpaper engine app. So over here are the apps, the wallpaper apps you already will be getting with the engine, and the ones you will be downloading. So just head on to workshop. So this is the place where you will be searching for the wallpapers you want. Suppose you want, suppose cars wallpaper. Let's hit the car wallpaper, search, and press enter. You can select any of the car in wallpaper over here. Let's go with the Mercedes car. This one, it looks like a AMG GTR. Yes, it is. So let's just double click it. It's gonna automatically apply the wallpaper, and you can see the effect of the smoke going around the bridge from the car. It looks cool and aesthetic, but it's not the interactive one. The interactive one is the one I already showed you before, and it will be the one like Dragon Ball Sunset. You can find it in Discover, and over here you can find many interactive ones. So just let go back to install, and right double click on this Dragon Ball one. So it's just the interactive one. So you can find millions of wallpapers from your wallpaper engine app. It's just easy to search them and find the wallpapers you want. So these wallpapers also come with the tunes that are automatically in it. So let me just put on the wallpaper Naruto and Sasuke for you, and you will see the sound. You will hear the sound too. Let's just take this one. So you can see this is the sound. It will be coming with the wallpaper. And if you want to just enable or disable it, it's just simple. Just go back to your system tray, right click on wallpaper engine, press mute. If you want to mute the sound, if you want to unmute, just press unmute. You can also pause the live wallpaper if you want. Just click on pause. So it will pause the wallpaper where it was already before. And if you want to do it, start again and pause it. Ready. So that was just a simple procedure you need to do for getting your wallpapers from the wallpaper engine. And you guys have fun with this application, and have a good day. See you next time.